my name is Sophie and I'm an illustrator living in the UK. So today I'm going to be making a little GIF or introduction animation on Procreate on my iPad. So feel free to follow along, make one of your own. It's a little bit of a tutorial, a little bit of a draw with me, crossover kind of video. So I hope you learned something or just have fun watching. So now into the video. So today I'll be using my iPad Pro and my Apple Pencil. Load up Procreate and choose a file size. So you want it to be 1920 by 1080p because that is the size for a YouTube video. And as I said, I'll be making this for my YouTube. Make sure the colour settings are on RGB because that is what you need for screen. So open the file and go into Canvas and turn on Animation Assist. I like to use the 6B pencil and I just changed the background colour to this cream and added that little white circle. So I'll just be writing out my name. Turn on Streamline on your pencil and it'll help you to get these really smooth lines. And I just go over it to make it a little bit thicker, a little bit bolder, and then tweak any of the letters to make sure everything is in the right place, exactly where you want it. So on a new layer, you can see that the Animation Assist lets you see the layer that you just drew underneath. It's called an onion skin layer because it's a little bit transparent. So if you just write over it slightly in a different place, this is going to give you that wiggly effect, the jittering effect of the text when you play it. See, there we go. And this looks best if you do maybe 3 to 5 frames. So just keep going, keep writing over that until you are happy with how it looks. Now I played it back and realised that this background circle is missing in some of my frames. So just open the layers, duplicate the frame that I've got, put it with every title that I've written. And then you want to merge the title down onto the frames. And there we go, that'll be in every frame now. So I'm just drawing these little vines to go up the side, and you want to duplicate this maybe about 9 times. And then you want to uncheck all of those little boxes so that you only have the first frame visible. Grab your eraser and erase all of the vine apart from a tiny little bit at the start. And then keep going, doing this through the layers, and each time I'm drawing on a couple of leaves. It seems weird doing it in reverse, but it's easier because you know where the position of everything is going to be. added on some little flowers. And now what I'm doing is I duplicated the frames with the text, and I am just putting each frame with the leaves into a group with each text. So a group will be one frame, so you have everything that you need in that little frame. When I played it back, I realised that the frames were missing the leaves. Bear with me, this is my first attempt at making a GIF, so all you've got to do is duplicate the frame before and then merge it with your next frame, and then keep doing that, and all of your leaves will appear as it grows. See, there we go, there are the leaves now. Just adding some little sparkles on a new layer because everyone loves a bit of sparkle, right? Right? So keep adding layers, slightly changing where you draw things, and that'll make the stars and sparkles look like they're fizzing or popping. Put each frame into one of those groups that we talked about earlier, so it's got everything that you need in the frame. Make sure you play it back, check you're happy with it. I just wanted some more stars, so it lasted a little bit longer. And there we go. So when you are happy with it, you go into share as an animated GIF, and you can change your frames per second if you want it to last a little bit longer or be a bit quicker. Press export and save image, and there we have it. This will appear right in your photos. Thank you for watching. Have fun making your GIF, and let me know if you do make one. Enjoy the rest of your day.